What's going on, everyone? So in this video we're going to take a quick look at installing the SIM card and memory card into the Galaxy S7 Edge. This is basically the same procedure for the regular S7 as well. So in the box, if you saw my unboxing, there's a little SIM card removal tool. This little guitar pick looking thing. So on the top of the device, there's a little slot right here. Focus in on that. Right here, you'll see a little hole. SIM card tool goes in there, and you see it just slots out like so. Pull that guy out, and you see you have a space for the memory card and the SIM card. The micro SD card, I should say. So, SIM card goes in the bottom slot, right there, and then the memory card goes in the top slot, like that. So once you've got these both in the trays, then just slide it back into the phone. And one thing I should point out is the phone is actually turned off, and when you're putting in and taking out the SIM card, it's usually best to do it when the phone is off so that when it turns back on, it can register itself to the network. So let's go ahead and power it back up. And there we go, you see it said auto update of time. We have the AT&T in the corner there. Zoom in so you can see that. So that means we're on the AT&T network. Go ahead and unlock this guy. And if we swipe down, you see it is seeing the SD card that has been installed. And so on the SD card, this is actually from an old, I used this SD card in a G3, LG G3. That's the last time I've used it. So I'll put a link to this particular memory card in the description down below. So once the SD card's installed, you can actually verify that by going over to System and then Storage. And you see we have SD card here. See up here, transferring photos and media. You can also move apps over as well. Not all apps support this, but just quickly to show you that, go ahead and pick an app. I think this one will do it, yeah. So storage, click on that, and then we can change, and then we can move that to the SD card. So what will happen is if you have apps on the SD card, when you pull the SD card out of the phone, it will actually gray out the icon of the app until you put that same SD card back in. So you can move the apps over onto the SD card if you start running low on internal storage. So pretty cool feature to do. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. And this will only take a few minutes. App cannot be used when it's being exported. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Move. And now we see storage used is external storage. And so that was a pretty big app. Let's pick one more that's fairly large. Probably another game here. This is another good one too. Storage, change. So it says external storage. So now we can go back to, whoops. System storage. You see our internal storage has gone down a little bit, and our SD card now shows 105 megs used instead of what was previously used. So it kind of splits the apps up between the SD card and the internal storage, but as you see, we do have less device storage being used now. So definitely something worth taking advantage of if you just picked up an S7, and it's very convenient, and it's one of the features that people clamored for and Samsung obliged and brought back in these S7s. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for me, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. Or you can send me a message on my homepage, or just hit me up in the comment section on this video down below. Till next time, good luck putting in a new SD card into your phone. Take care.